of cities of our nation, we to thee our homage bring, and with loving admiration, we thy praises loudly sing. Thou the proud and strong young giant, standing by the inland sea, there art thou and self-reliant, proudly now we sing to thee. Hail Chicago, first in art and industry. Hail Chicago, strong, courageous, proud and free. Never shall thy people falter, all the world thy fame shall hear. Not a loyalty can alter, nor thy spirit all thy will. Come the children of each nation, from the land across the sea, some of high and some low station, seeking refuge here with thee, with thy native sons and daughters, all shall love and